In LiteBox 3D Pro, it is possible to display the bounding box of an element. A bounding box is the smallest box aligned with the local coordinate axes that completely encloses the object or set of objects. In cases where the local axis orientation varies among multiple selected parts, the global axis orientation is used. Users have the flexibility to adjust the size and color of the measurement. When a part is relocated in the 3D space, the bounding box of that part becomes visible in its new position. Notably, when the parent node is selected in the model tree, the bounding box remains visible in the original position. Visit technia.com for more information.